Spicy sausage and mushroom pasta. Ingredients: 1. 1 pound of pasta. 2. 1 jar of pasta sauce. 3. 1 pound of spicy Italian sausage. 4. 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. 5. 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 6. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Directions: 1. Cook the pasta as per the bundle guidelines and put it away. 2. In a huge skillet, cook the wiener over medium-high intensity until caramelized and cooked through. 2. Eliminate from skillet and put away. 3. In a similar skillet, sauté the mushrooms until they are delicate and daintily cooked. 4. Add the pasta sauce to the skillet and bring to a stew. 4. Add the red pepper chips and mix to join. 5. Add the cooked pasta and sausage to the skillet and toss to coat with the sauce. 6. Serve hot, topped with grated Parmesan cheese. Creamy tomato and basil pasta. Ingredients: 1. 1 pound of pasta. 2. 1 jar of pasta sauce. 3. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. 4. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh basil. 5. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Directions: 1. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions and set aside. 2. In a large skillet, heat the pasta sauce over medium heat. 3. Add the heavy cream and chopped basil to the sauce and stir to combine. 4. Stew the sauce for 5 to 10 minutes, until it has thickened marginally. 5. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet and throw to cover with the sauce. 6. Serve hot, finished off with ground Parmesan cheddar. Fettuccine recipe. Sure, here's a detailed recipe for fettuccine. Ingredients: 1. 1 pound fettuccine pasta. 2. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. 3. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1 cup heavy cream. 5. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 6. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 7. Fresh parsley, chopped, optional. Instructions: 1. Cook the fettuccine pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water according to the package instructions until it is al dente, then drain and set aside. 1. Reserve about 1/2 cup of the pasta water. 2. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, until fragrant. 3. Pour the heavy cream into the saucepan and bring it to a simmer, stirring constantly. 3. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. 4. Add the Parmesan cheese to the saucepan and stir until it has melted and is fully incorporated into the sauce. 5. Add the cooked fettuccine pasta to the saucepan and toss until the pasta is coated evenly with the sauce. 5. If the sauce is too thick, add a small amount of the reserved pasta water to thin it out. 6. Season the fettuccine with salt and black pepper to taste. 7. Serve the fettuccine hot, garnished with chopped parsley if desired. Variations: 1. Creamy mushroom fettuccine. Add sliced mushrooms to the saucepan after the garlic has cooked, and sauté until they are browned and tender. 1. Then continue with the recipe as written. 2. Shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Add cooked shrimp to the saucepan with the Parmesan cheese and stir until they are heated through. 2. Then continue with the recipe as written. 3. Chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Add cooked chicken to the saucepan with the Parmesan cheese and stir until it is heated through. 3. Then continue with the recipe as written. Tips: 1. To make the fettuccine extra creamy, use half heavy cream and half milk in the sauce. 2. Reserve some of the pasta water to use as a thinning agent for the sauce, if needed. 3. Don't overcook the pasta, as it will become mushy and won't hold its shape well when mixed with the sauce. 4. If you're looking to lighten up the recipe, you can use half and half or milk instead of heavy cream. 4. You can also reduce the amount of butter or use a plant-based butter substitute.